Okay, so one of the things that the Prime Minister said in his briefing was that it's really important that public sector young people or new entrants actually have the opportunity to be in an office in order to learn from the more senior or more experienced people. Now, that's actually a fair point. But if that's one of the outcomes that you want, i.e., you want to make sure that the young workforce are trained and they get to learn and be mentored by people who are more senior in the organisation, then make that an output and then actually let the leaders of the organisation work out the best way in which we do that. It's not about saying this kind of carte blanche working from home is a problematic thing and working from home means that you can't have that transfer of knowledge anymore. That's actually not true. It's actually about looking at, right, how do we make sure that this transfer of knowledge happens between this senior person and this more junior person? And yes, it may be, of course, that there are times when we want people together, or maybe actually we just want some buddying between a mentor and a mentee, and that can be done remotely. There's a whole lot of different ways that we can still achieve that outcome, but what we've got to do is not just have a blanket approach to say, no, working from home is problematic and that's going to undermine the transfer of knowledge from senior people to junior people, because that's actually not factually correct. There are different ways that we can ensure that that knowledge transfer happens.